Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it and discuss the market. Before we go further, remember, guys, our content here for educational purposes only. So let's get right to it and start with the main event for today. We got Kala, PLRZ, Beyond Meat. Nothing much happened. Currently holding over the $1.09. Those the main stocks. We're gonna discuss another stocks if we got another jump for the market. There's always some news will hit the market before the market open. So yeah, we got PMCB. PMCB just came to the scan right now. This one. Light on volume for now. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, John. How you doing, man? So I will check. Good morning, Clifton. George, how you doing, man? Todd and Shari. Good morning, everybody. Clifton said he got snow on the ground. I thought like you talk about snow, the stock that had earnings yesterday. I'm not even joking. Let me just show you. Yesterday we discussed snow earnings, which now is pulling back 8%. Didn't break our resistance around the 270. As you see here, we got a good earnings, but the price went down anyway. We got CRM the same, had earnings push back up, then pull back. PLRZ, it need to break this current resistance now if we want to have a green day for today. Short seller just came out of the 2150, everybody. This one looking great for today as well. Yeah, Kala, I will check it out again. Beyond Meat, Kala, PLRZ. Yeah, PLRZ, I already put it on the other list, I think, or I took it from the list. Or yeah, it's the main event for today. Yeah, PLRZ is the main event. How you doing, George? So let us do another recap. As we said, PLRZ guys, main resistance to break right now is 1742 because the main seller came around the 2150 in the pre-market, retested again and added their position around the 1742. So if we don't break this orange line, this resistance is mean we're gonna go back down to test the 13 and then the 10 or almost the 960. If we have a pullback trend or scenario, I will watch for those two dips And if we have bullish scenario, we have to watch for the 1742 at the market open. Furcala had a huge seller around the $1.52. Yeah, $1.52. It is the main seller place. And the current support is the 114 and then the $1. We got two support to watch for Kala. But yeah, the 156, brother, it is the level that we should break in order to go toward almost the $2 or around the 180. Let me just check the other stock that we traded yesterday. Most of them are weak. This one might be great for today. Nobody told me about it. QCLS. Look interesting here. Yeah, QCLS looking fantastic for maybe breakout. So I'm gonna keep it on the mid list. So technically we have five. Beyond Meat, nothing much happening, guys. We need to break this current resistance over the 141 in order to go up again around the 160, 170. But if we didn't, it means we continue this pullback. The pullback is continue for Beyond Meat. Okay, guys, don't forget to hit and plus the like button and the way and support the channel as you can. And remember, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open every day, guys. So let's get right to it. And of course, hunt the market for today. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let us discuss a main event for today, CTOR, guys. Pharmaceutical company that started to produce or massive. Uh, Let me just bring the news is better. So CTOR announced commercial launch for their new drug that fix or help to over kill the T cell lymphoma, which is cancer cell. So this one FDA approved drug and now is commercially in the market live in the US. This is a huge news for CTOR, and that's why I will watch it closely after this major news that dropped in the market. And we already hit our profit taking early on in pre-market because as you see here, We have a good jump for it in the pre-market here around this level. We hit the resistance and we pull back. We did even short for our hunters here for CTOR. The price was around the 128, as you can see from this chart, and we hit the 138. So we did 10-cent jump after hitting our level. So technically we hit the 140 and we said $1.38 for the first profit taken. We almost went toward the second profit taken 150. So we went until 147. So almost hitting the second profit taken. And now pulling back and going up, coiling up again because there is a new buyer buying the dip for CTOR. And not just one news, we got other good news regarding we got this distribution agreement to support commercial launch. So even the new drug, as we discussed early, we have another companies will support the distribution for yeah, McKesson to support the commercial launch for this new drug that help treat the cancer cell. CRM is breaking the support. I'll check this one a little bit. So yeah, CTOR looking fantastic right now for coiling up. And again, the big seller is still around the 147, guys. This is the level that we should break in order to go up toward the 2 and beyond. But the good thing is we held over the $1 psychological level. PLRZ testing the resistance around 17. Kala is a bit risky here because it didn't break. It's going back toward the 114. QCLS looking interesting as well. Want to break here. Beyond meat, so we have a huge jump again at the market open, looking fantastic here. Let's see, CTOR or CRM. Yeah, CRM testing the support here and coiling back up 1%. Snow testing the support as well and trying to go up. APLD is in red a bit. Yeah, the market is a bit in red. CTOR, are we halted, guys, for CTOR? Let me just check. No, we're not halted. The stock that halted right now is NVA and ABLV. ABLV. Double check ABLV right now. Yeah, it's halted up, but on light volume. NVA, we'll double check this one as well. Yeah, NVA 9% up. I would pass. I don't like it. So PLRZ, guys, is breaking out now. So I'm gonna adjust the resistance. The main resistance is just right there around the 2131. And adjusting the support for it around the 1569. Yes, 1569 could be a really good support to hold. Kala is calling up a bit. Checking the main gainers for today again. PLRZ, we get Kala, ABLV, PCMX. Top losers for today, we got GCO. GCO. Not good. Yeah, the market is still neutral, guys. Nothing crazy happened. Nothing crazy is happening yet. This one, yes, I will watch CRM for a breakout. The same for this one. We have a big buyer over the 238.60. So if we held, we'd be great for a reversal. Let's see your questions. Yeah, Beyond Meat moving up, of course. George is still waiting for the dip around the 90 cents. PLRZ unicorn, yes, is still restless. CLRZ, we already updated it. IRB, I will check. What's going on with IRB? No, I think we didn't check IRB yesterday. Yeah, nothing much happening. PLRZ, nothing much, brother. The resistance is a bit far here. We need to do 25% to go and squeeze. Gala is better, have better scenario because it's near the 155. We just missing 8%. So it look ready for something. In XB, low on volume, but going up really steadily. Beyond Meat, guys, started to move. Beyond Meat started to move. 7%. Yes, not bad. We got kind of breakouts from this flag. Yes, we got a really good test twice on Wednesday around this support, the $1.16. So technically we did 14% now from yesterday. Yeah, B is breaking out here, guys. We got a really good breakout for Bloom Energy. Yeah, Bloom Energy, we got a really good breakout here. It look really interesting right now for entry. I will watch Bloom right now, guys, because it might bloom toward the 109. And this is could give us a really good jump here, 3% at least. Yeah, Bloom Energy doing fantastic. I will put support for it around this level, around the 101. And current resistance right now is 109. Anyway, so let's see. We got this one. Yeah, is about to break here. CRM still testing. We got Beyond Meat is still going up. CTOR still trying. CTOR still trying to go up toward the $1.47. This pharmaceutical company have a new drug going to the market, FDA approval, cancer drug. And as you can see from the technical, we coiling back from the bottom around the $1, and we almost squeeze around the 147. So we have to watch it closely. Kala, on the other hand, it is looking great because it's getting near the $1.55 breakout zone. And PLRZ, yes, didn't break the 21.31. So I will watch for a pullback now. If we have a pullback, I will watch for few levels, maybe testing the 1290 again. SGBX, I think I put it on the other list. Whereas no, I took it from the list because it was dead the last few days. Now it's moving 7%. Yeah, SGBX, nothing much, brother. It held the 277, now coiling up toward the resistance around $4. So resistance profit taken around the 4. After that, we have almost the 440 after that if we go up. But nothing changed for SGBX. Still below the resistance. QBTS, what did you tell us, man? Man, what kind of move is this? Is 88 is nothing, man, even less than 1%. And see what it did. It went down almost 50% and started to reverse, yeah, almost 30% since March. Oh God, snow is going down. Snow is going down. Watch out, guys. The snow is going down big time. So I'm watching for a dip here. Major dip is coming for snow. Yeah, snow is going down 10%. And CTOR is moving, guys. Someone buying the dip right now. It's going steadily and up toward the 147 squeeze zone. QBTS, I don't like it, brother. It's still heavily shorted. What else we got here? HGBX has short interest of almost 24%. Still huge cost to borrow, 400%, of course. Kala, nothing much, brother. Kala need to break the 155, but it looked really good here. If it broke the 155, would be huge for Kala to squeeze. IRBT hold the support. Let's see if it did help it hold the support. I put it on the other list, IRBT. Yes, it held support perfectly over the 283. QCLS broke this resistance and is going toward the 692. QCLS looking great here. Yeah, the main one right now, QCLS. George, NNE. Yes, you are obsessed with this stock. You asked me about the stock last month almost 10 times. 2%. Yeah, it dipped from the 34, it dipped again toward the 28. It reversed finally around the 27. And now, yeah, it's getting, it might get rejected now, brother, around 35 again. A huge seller will come. If we broke it, we might have a squeeze for it. Now it's just 2% up. What a day we've got. Let's see again the top gainers. Yeah, QCLS is coming up strong with PLRZ. Yeah, the rest is kind of sleeping. So yeah, Kala looking great with QCLS now. Yeah, QCLS, we have a big buyer over the 526. Now it's going toward almost the $7. I think it's the only one that squeezed at the market open. IRBT, yeah, look good if it held the 283. Yesterday, I think, yeah, Wednesday did the huge jump from the 189 until 370. So now is kind of recollecting and consolidating sideways. Usually, after the stock jump like this 100% in one day, we have a period of calm. It happened even for Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat have a period of calm for a lot of time, and then it reversed down and now calm again. It's just 3%, 7%. Because it's normal, did 85% in one day. We have an exception for that, like AMC, GameStop, and other stock that keep jumping for 1 week. But those stocks usually, when you jump like this for 7 week or 1 week or 2 weeks, when they go down for a lot of time. It's like falling down from the first floor or falling down from the skyscraper. If you fall down from skyscraper, you're done, you're dead. But if you fall down from the first floor or second floor, maybe you break in your legs, and after a few months you walk. The same. Stocks exactly the same as a human. CRM still looking great. If we hold the 238, snow is still pulling back down. What a trap, man. Today is a trap day. Yeah, it is big trap. Because B is jumped and now it's pulling back, man. Yeah, it tricked me, man. This bastard, it tricked me. Okay, so now we have to be extremely careful because the market is pulling back a little bit. APLD looking great still. CTOR is going on the green side, everybody. Beyond Meat, finally we have a breakout, but now it's pulling back as well. Beyond Meat, call options, and tomorrow. Interesting, interesting take, Victor. Really interesting take about the call options and tomorrow. And of course, now is over the $1. Wow, this would be great. If we held even not the $1, but the 116 until tomorrow would be great. Guys, we got a really interesting thing for Beyond Meat for tomorrow. Call options and for tomorrow. And right now, Beyond Meat is over the $1. So if we held over the $1 at least until tomorrow, maybe we might have interesting jump and pump for Beyond Meat. But before we go further, guys, to discuss Beyond Meat, the plan for tomorrow, remember our content here for education purposes only. So, guys, as we discuss Beyond Meat, there's a nice jump today at the market open for Beyond Meat around this white line. As you can see here, we have the same white line that we discussed before that give us a sign for a breakout and squeeze. It happened here on the 26th of November. If you don't know, guys, we always did the mini update for Beyond Meat and many other stocks here on our Discord. The link comment section below, guys, for precise entry and exit for many stocks. So Beyond Meat, it was a really good entry after we have this breakout around or below the $1 around the 95. Now we have another scenario, first sign for a breakout around this white line, but unfortunately, we have a major seller here around the $1.41. So this is the major seller that we have to break. We went until the $1.37 and the price pulled back down a little bit. We talk about the call options for Beyond Meat and in tomorrow for mini traders. So this would be really interesting to watch because if we held the $1.16 by tomorrow, would be interesting to see those call options would be executed, and this is might give us the breakout and jumping over the 141, and the short seller will have to cover here, and this would make us a nice jump toward the 160 and the 170 and almost the $2 this time. If we jump, guys, this will be really great because we expect at least 50%. For now, we're pulling back, as we said, because the main seller is still around the 141 and still holding the price. However, as you can see here, the market is following a same trend because most of the stock today is kind of neutral or going down a little bit at the market open. That's why we have the same action happened for Beyond Meat. We have a nice jump for the market at the market open, then we have a bit of pullback. It's kind of a short seller shorting the market at the same or one button that make all the stocks go down at the same minute and same seconds. However, as we said, guys, we need to hold the 116, and in the big picture, we should hold over the 94. So for today and this month, if we want to continue the squeeze, the best case scenario is holding the 116, breaking the 140, and go around the $2, and hopefully around the $3 before the end of this year. Beyond Meat is now a meme ETF. Kala is going. Yep, Kala is going. CTOR is going. Oh, come on, man. B is going down. What a crazy. What's going on, man, with the market? This is it. B have to reverse now, guys. We need a reversal right now for B. Yeah, testing the 100 and 171. This is a critical support that we should hold. CTOR is going to the green side. Again, guys, as a reminder, CTOR is a pharmaceutical company which have a new approved drug for lymphoma, a cancer drug, and now they are distributing it. And we have a really good fundamental, technical looking great as well. We have a reversal on the $1, and we already tested the $1 almost, yeah, the $1 36, I think, yeah, 38. We hit the profit taking in the pre-market. We did this alert before the market opened, guys. And we almost hit the second profit taking. We do another update later on Discord. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to have access before the jump and before the action, because once the market opens, sometimes the market is going down after that. For now, Kala, yes, testing the resistance, guys. Kala looking great, testing the resistance. CBI data tomorrow, George. Thank you for the reminder. Yeah, we have to be cautious for the market yesterday or tomorrow. Watch out for B as well, guys. It look really good for a reversal right now. Anyway, guys, this is it for now. Thank you for watching. And yes, see you all back by tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a really interesting day because the jobs data and CPI will be out tomorrow. So the market will be a bit volatile. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you all by tomorrow. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button and see you all back to by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon.